This is a TODN audio patch cable. It is a 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter audio patch cable. They sell hi-fi audio products. There's lots of different things in the box here, so I think they use the same box for all of the cables they sell. So I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, this 3-foot long cable would cost you $47. So as you can see, it is a premium product with a premium price tag. All right, so inside of the box, we have a little catalog from the company that shows all of the different cables they sell, as well as the cable here in its own little reclosable bag. And you can see here the ends are protected. It is a woven cable, very supple. And here you can see the ends are branded. They have kind of a carbon fiber look in the middle there. And it is your standard TRS 3.5 millimeter aux cable. Alright, so the premium price of this cable is due to the connectors, carbon fiber, and mostly the oxygen-free copper with silver coating on the cables. And you can see here they use multiple cables that are braided together to convey the 3 signals. So let's take a look at the resistance here. So in the tip I have 0.3 ohms. On the ring I have 0.3 ohms. And on the sheath I have 0.3 ohms. Now if I just put my 2 tips together, I have 0.1. So we can assume that it's probably 0.2 on all of these.